Bata pa lang ay magkasama lang ang ating susunod ng mga talentado na mag-perform. Pero minsan din natigil ang kanilang pagsasama. Pakinggan pa natin ang iba nilang mga kwento.
Sa pool kasi mga bata pa kami, sa pool no, na magkakasama na kami, maliliit pa kami noon. Grade school pa lang magkakakilala na kami, pero nagkaroon ng conflict. Yung mother ko nagkasakit, na-force ako ma-stop sa pagkanta, sa pag-perform. So, medyo natigil din yung pagsasama-sama ng grupo namin. Nagkahiwa-hiwalay kami for a while. And then, a few months ago, nagkaroon ng contest, which was, yung Glee, Generation Glee. So, nagkaroon ulit kami ng chance to get together, to form the group again, and to bring back what we always used to do and what we always loved to do.
Blending their voices for a shot at victory, give it up for Serenata Gem.
Any way you want it, that's the way it is. Any way you want it. You make the thing out. You got everything. You make the new life. You make the room. You love everything. But you'll be the yeah. You will love.
Serenata Gem. Ladies, gentlemen, you join me here. Lucy, what do you think?
I liked it, Ryan. It was they were vibrant, they were youthful. I liked parang the vintage appeal na ang ginamit silang mga dance moves yung panahon ng, parang Ben Beatles, mga 60s to 70s. I like the fact na especially the guys, they made an effort to look polished and dress up, and then the girls, they're all in all very pleasant, smiling, happy movements. I think it's one of the best numbers of the evening. Kung sa performance lang ng mga lahat na umapak dyan sa stage tonight, may tulog yung iba sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Lucy. Aminin ko nung una. Ako nagpa-perform kayo, parang nagugulumihan na ako, hindi ko malaman kung mag-enjoy ako o ano. Pero nung nakita ko na sobra kayong tuwang-tuwa sa pinag-agawa ninyo, aba, dapat maging masaya ako dahil masaya kayo sa ginagawa ninyo. O, diba? At in fairness, o diba, kabataan ito, high school ba talaga kayo o grade school, college?
High school and college po.
High school and college. So, paano kayo nagkakita-kita?
Music school po.
So kayo nag-training kayo talaga? So, nung nakikita ko nag-i-enjoy kayo talaga, puno-puno kayo ng energy at wow factor. Natutuwa na ako, tapos nakita ko ang kulay-kulay nyo, tapos nag-i-enjoy kayo, sabay-sabay naman kayo, may boses naman kayo. So, ipapolish na lang, tapos tingnan natin sa mga susunod na araw at episode, kung talagang kayo ang papalarin. Dapat baguhin nyo yung mga susunod, huwag lang kayo puro ganyan ever, diba? Ayaw ni Kuya Germs ng ganon. Gusto niya, every week iba-iba. Yan ang concept ng Dance Entertainment. Diba? Ganon. Thank you very much. Arnel,
Ang swerte niyo ngayong araw, kahit inuubo yung isa, na parang parang kayo na yung pinakahanda. Costumes nyo, kompleto, choreography nyo, buo, kanta nyo, buo. Ako, nagkahanap ako ng mas polished na choreography, yung energy level nyo nasa maximum, and highlights ng performance. So, pero ngayon nga, sabi ko tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, at saka observation din namin, mukhang kayo na yung nakakalamang sa inyong preparasyon.
Thank you very much, Ronel. Derek, ako wala akong reklamo. I thought it was a really good act. I think you did very, very well. Malapit ang puso ko sa Glee Club kasi talagang nung nagsimula ako, Glee Club bago pa ako pumasok sa teatro, I was really part of a Glee Club. And we used to do it all the time. Yung, choreography, tapos talagang mga kanta. I gather kung nanggaling kayo sa music school, individual kayo nag-aral ng music, right? Tapos kinuha yung grupo nyo. So siguro it will take a little time for your individuality to gel as a group. Pero I think you'll get there with more practice. Pero the fact is, kung individuals kayo, that means each one of you magagaling. Maybe what you can do now is bring out your personality para parang malagli. We can see different characters at the same time, so pa rin sila as a group. But I like what I saw. I think you worked hard. I like the choreo. I like the singing. Pasado kayo sa akin.
Thank you very much, Derek Bundy. Senator Jeff, thank you for your performance. You may now relax backstage.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sebastian, for your views.